So, hello everyone. I hope everyone are good. So now we have come up with a new video. It's regarding the assembling of 40-liter ringer trolley, which is basically used in corporates, hospitals and malls. So recently from many of our viewers and many of our customers, we were getting queries regarding assembling of the trolleys. They were facing quite a lot of problems in assembling of these trolleys. So it's basically very simple to do. So today we'll show it exactly how you do it. Chaliye, now we'll introduce you to the parts of it. Come, take a closure. So this is the ringer handle, and this is the main heart of this ringer trolley, which is known as ringer. Right? These are the tires. We'll keep it here. Take all the four out. This is the bucket, which is 20 liter. There are two buckets of 20 liters. That's the reason it's known as 40-liter trolley. And now you'll be wondering why there are these two colors. So basically this blue color is used for the fresh water and red one is used for the dirty water. And basically people prefer many other colors also. So coming to our work, now we'll start the assembling, the main point. So you have to take the tires, just press it inside. Sir, you do the same thing for all the four tires. Right? Ho gaya. It's very simple. Not a problem. Then you just have to take the bucket, fix it. There is neither any screw, bolts or anything that you have to fix it. Just take the ringer and place it. Here, there is something fallen down. Yeah, I'll take this. And there is this small part which is called as the mop holder. The mop which is used for the mopping purpose. You fix it here. See, now the trolley is ready. Now what we are missing is a pulling handle. We'll take this handle. Just a second. I'm not able to see properly. Yeah. You have to fix it both sides the same thing. Yeah. See. Now your ringer trolley is ready. No, there is something left. I'll show you. There is how you are supposed to insert this. There is one more this called gripper basically. You have to insert this rod here and fix this ringer. So this will give a grip basically, nothing other than that. Yeah, so it's done. Now what is left? That's it. Like this is basically it's used. There are these rotating tires, so people generally pull it, and there is this mop fixer. So this was not fixed properly. That's the reason. You have to just press it inside. Right? So now it has been fixed. So this is how a trolley is kept. Now how it's used is, you take a fresh water and a dirty water. You just mop the floor, and you take this mop and you place it in the ringer. Right? So this is the way. At that time the cotton part will be wet, and then you press the ringer handle firmly. It goes out and the dirty water comes out of the ringer bucket. Right? That's it. Again you take the mop, place it here and change your place and go do mopping. So it's basically very simple. There is nothing like rocket science over here. So I hope everyone enjoyed our video. You can take another view. Basically the table is quite small. That's the reason I'm not able to turn it fully. Yeah.